So good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to install Windows 11 on VMware Workstation. So open your VMware Workstation. Let's create new virtual machine. Select the custom option. Click on the next option. Click on the next option. Select I will install operating system later on this option. Click next. I'm going to install Windows 11. So make sure you are going to select Windows 11 x64. Click on the next option. If you want to change your virtual machine name, you can change here. And if you want to change your location, so I don't want to change for default location, but if you want to change default location into any other location, you can go to this option and select whatever folder you want to install. But I don't want to, so I make default option. Click next. And you know, for installation of Windows 11 there is a TPM chip, trusted platform module is required in a physical, but in virtual machine there is a way to install Windows 11 using encryption method. So it's basically virtually add TPM on your virtual machine. So let's give the password. It should be minimum 8 character, and remember this password also. Click on the next after you giving the password. Windows 11 use UEFI, not BIOS, so there is only UEFI option available and BIOS option gray out. Click on the next. By default Windows 11 need 2 core, but I want to give 4 core for fast installation. And by default Windows 11 require 4 GB RAM, so you select the 4 GB ROM by default option. There is no need to be increase the RAM. Click on the next option. For installation of Windows 11 we require internet connection, so you can use bridge network or you can also use net. So I selected the net option. Click the next option. Click the next. Select by default NVMe. Click the next. Create a new virtual disk. Click the next. By default Windows 11 requires 64 GB storage, so by default I don't want to add more storage, so I select the store virtual disk as a single disk. Click the next option. Click next and finish. So your virtual machine become ready and TPM chip also be present. And now I am going to connect ISO image. So select this option CD DVD and use ISO image. For physical we need bootable pen drive, but in virtual machine we need just ISO image. Browse the option, find your ISO image in any location. If you remember where is the file is, I already connected into my pen drive, so I am going to select on my pen drive Windows 11. Click open and OK. Now select power on this virtual machine. Remind me later. Click on the center, press enter. Don't forget, select your mouse in the center, then press enter. Otherwise you may face some issue. Select time and currency format, English India. Click on the next option. Click the next option. I would like to install Windows 11. Select I agree. Click the next option. I don't have product key right now, so select this option. Now click Windows 11 Pro. Select next. accept, click the next option, click install. Now your window going to be boot few more time, so be patient, wait for half an hour to install your windows 11, and make sure your system have a internet, because for installation of windows 11 we require internet. Now after you few step, we have to select the region India, click yes, then select your keyboard language, we are selecting English India, click yes option, skip the layout option. Your window going to check for update. If any update available is going to be installed, then it's going to be after restart. So for installation window 11 we have to wait more time, taking more time than normal window 10. Select your PC name, so I'm going to give the name, then click next. Select for personal use, click the next option. create account. So after installation and update installation, you have to create online account. That's why Windows 11 need internet. Without internet you cannot access or install Windows 11. Let's sign in. We have to create a new account, so select create one. Get a new email address, so I'm going to use, I'm using this email address. You can create whatever you want. Let's give the password. Password should be complicated. Click next option. Give the first name. Select the next option. Select any date of if you want. You don't need to give the right answer. Just like I give the number like 2. You can select any date. We don't have to give proper information. Add alternate email address. Give any email address. We just use for practical purpose. Click next. If everything okay, so you have to solve this puzzle. Click the next option. We have to select two key on this puzzle. So here this puzzle have a two key. Submit. I have to select, or we have to select three option like this. This is the three. Submit, and verification is completed. If everything going okay, so your window is going to be login and your account created online on your Windows 11. Let's create pin. So Windows 11, after giving online account, you have to create pin. So I created pin. Click the OK option. Now if you provide location or not, so I don't give the my location and I don't need to find my device, and select accept option and set up as a new PC. Click the next option and your window is ready to go. After installation in VMware, if you want to use as a full screen, you have to install a driver. So basically is a VM tool you need to install. So wait for few minutes, then we are going to install VM tools so we can use full screen. If you want any this, so you can select, but I don't, so I skip option. Skip this option also. Skip this option. Click next. And here your window is installed. Now if you want to use as a full screen, So we need a window VMware tool. So select this option, install VMware tool. Click here, download and install. Open your file explorer and select the full screen. After downloading this tool, you can see here this tool is downloading, so we have to wait. And this tool is downloaded, so you have to double click on this option, click yes, select this option, click the next option, select the typical option, or you can select the complete. So if you want to install complete, you can select the complete option, select the next, install. After this installation, your Windows 11 access full screen of your physical machine. So wait for few more second. And after installation of driver, you are going to see your screen going to be used as a full screen. You can see here. So this driver is very necessary to use your window in virtual machine. Wait for few more second. When it's done, so you can close it. So that's how you are going to install Windows 11 in VMware Workstation. For more video, you subscribe my channel for latest update. Thank you for everyone.